Hello everyone and welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to use the calendar feature in Monday.com to stay on top of your tasks, deadlines, and of course the schedule. So managing time deadlines effectively is critical. So either you're handling a personal project or collaborating with a team, Monday.com's calendar view is a powerful tool that helps you first visualize tasks and deadlines over days, weeks, or months, easily manage overlapping timelines, and of course, quickly adjust schedules to keep everything on track. In this video, I will show you how to enable the calendar view, customize it for your needs, and integrate it seamlessly into your workflow. So either you're planning a product launch, managing an event, or tracking team, this guide will set you up for success. So of course, let's start. So first thing you need to do here is to of course go to their website. So why use the calendar view, guys? So here the calendar view is one of the most popular tools in this website monday.com because first thing is it's intuitive. You can see all your tasks and deadlines in just a one glance. And second is it's interactive. You just drag and drop tasks directly on the calendar to reschedule them. And of course, it's customizable. Filter your view to focus on specific projects, teams, or priorities. So here, you can start by creating or opening a board. If you already have a task with the dates assigned, you are ready to go. And if not, add a date column to your board here. So to add a date column, guys, you can click Add Column at the top of your board and select Date. So to enable the calendar view, guys, you can at the top of your board, you just need to go and look for the plus button. So at the top of your board, guys, you just need to click the add view and then of course select calendar. So as you can see here, these are some features of this website. So here you'll be able to see here the filter, sort, and then hide, and then here is the last thing is a group by. So next thing you need to do here is to look for the add button, guys. It is just beside this main table. So here you are gonna just tap the add view button, that one, and then of course select the calendar, guys. You'll be able to see their different views, but in this tutorial we are focusing on the calendar, so you just need to go to the calendar one. So here are the example of the board views. You'll be able to see here table, Gantt, and then chart. And in here, guys, you'll be able to see that one. So this is a plan, guys. So upgrade your plan to standard and unlock the calendar view or try it out for 40 days. So this tutorial, we are just gonna try it. So this is just a free plan, but only for 14 days. So right now, guys, is you're gonna name the view like project calendar or team deadlines. So for example, that is this one, and just like that, you now will be having a visual presentation of your tasks on the calendar. So as you can see here, and here, guys, the monthly view. By default, you'll see tasks organized by month. So this is great for long-term planning. And then here is the weekly view. So you can switch to weekly view for a more detailed breakdown of tasks. So you can use the drop down at the top right corner to toggle between viewers. So of course, guys, there is also color coding. So these are based on the group in the board. For example, tasks in the high priority group might appear in red, while tasks in progress might appear in blue. So here, you can also click on a task. So clicking a task opens its details where you can edit the due date, change the status, and assign the task to someone new. So here, guys, the calendar view isn't just for looking, it's also for managing. So here's how you can customize it. So filter tasks. So click the filter icon at the top of the calendar. So filter by assignee, status, or date range to focus on what matters most. Then of course you can also adjust dates. So drag and drop tasks directly on the calendar to reschedule them. So here, customizing the calendar view allows you to create a workflow that aligns perfectly with your team's need, making it easier to prioritize and execute tasks. So here, guys, In adding new tasks, guys, you can click on empty date on the calendar and then a task creation pop-up will appear. So here you can enter the task name, the group, and then the date. And right after that one is you can click to add the save button here. What you'll do next is to keep all your schedule in sync. You can integrate monday.com, the calendar of these two external tools like your Google Calendar or your Outlook. So you can go to the integration center. So at the top of your board, you can click integrate, search for Google Calendar or Outlook, and then you can now set up your integration here. So choose an automation recipe like syncmonday.com dates with Google Calendar. And then of course connect your account and map the fields. So for example, that one is the task name, the date, and then the status. You can also have two-way sync, guys. So changes made in monday.com will reflect in your external calendar and then vice versa. So here, guys, syncing calendar helps you keep your team and personal schedule aligned without missing important deadlines. So here, the calendar view isn't just for planning. So it's a collaboration tool. So assign tasks, track workload, and then add comments. So here in the assign task, guys, is you can assign team members to tasks directly from the calendar by opening the task and selecting a person in the assignee column. And you can also click on a task and use the update section to leave comments, attach files, or ask for an update, guys. And here in the track workload, you can use this calendar view alongside a workload widget to ensure no team member is overwhelmed with overlapping tasks. So, some advanced tips for this calendar management, guys, is you can use automations to create recurring tasks such as weekly reports or daily stand-up meetings. And the timeline and calendar combo, combine the timeline view with the calendar view for more detailed project planning. And for example, use the timeline to monitor overlapping phases and the calendar for task-specific deadlines here. So don't forget to download the monday.com mobile app, guys, because the calendar view works seamlessly on your phone. You can stay updated on the go. So these advanced features help you unlock the full potential in the calendar view, making it more than just a scheduling tool here. So it becomes a strategic asset for your team. And there you have it, guys, a complete guide to using the calendar view in monday.com. By now, you should be able to set up and customize your calendar view. And of course, guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to, of course, like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. See you and bye.